Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today, we're looking at the 2020 Kia Stinger GT line. So this has the turbocharged 4-cylinder, I believe it's a 2-liter. Yep, 2.0 liter twin scroll turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing 255 horsepower and right about 270 pound-feet of torque. As you can see, it's snowing outside, hence why I'm in the tunnel away from the snow. But I figured I'd take a look at the GT line because everybody has videos on the V6, not many videos on the 4-cylinder. So I figured I'd take a look and show you what a bargain this car really is. So as this one sits, it stickers for $39,800. Which is a screaming deal for what you get. As you can see, you still get the quad exhaust that's found on the V6 with this beautiful, I believe it's high chroma red. Yes, it is. Really, really luxurious interior. As you can see, even with the so-unquote base spec Stinger, they didn't cheap out. The interior is the exact same as what's in the V6 model. The only discernible difference between this and like a GT2 Stinger is this shifter. So the GT2 has an electronic shifter. This is the shifter found in the GT as well as the GT1. But you still have all the drive modes, you have everything. Basically, the real difference is this powertrain. We're gonna go ahead, go for a drive. I mean, as you saw, it is snowing, so gotta be a little careful, because one, it's not my car, and two, it's snowing, so it's not gonna be a fast drive by any means. But this one is all-wheel drive. So even in weather like this, it inspires confidence. Now that we're in the daylight a little bit better, you can definitely see this interior. You have GT line down on the steering wheel, nice paddles behind the wheel, GT line embroidered on the headrest. Same nice and quiet interior that comes with the V6 model. The seats are absolutely fantastic. As you can tell, the 4-cylinder does still have plenty of power. Provides great amount of torque. It's really, really good, actually. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.